Okay. I don't know if you can hear this. Hear the fan? That's atypical. I hear fans run. I don't hear them rattle like that. Do you? Interesting. We'll go to the microwave. Let's turn you off. Go into the microwave plus 30 seconds. Now you can just quit watching altogether. Alright. That light, magic lights, they blink. That means the microwave is operating properly. This is how I know it's operating properly. Hot, hot, hot. Okay. It's off. How come the oven light doesn't turn off? Okay. The oven light takes a while. On, off, on, off. Okay, I'm learning. Still rattling. Lights on. Lights still on. Oh, nope, turns off. I'll go over here to broil.